not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and
You gonna get up, you gonna get dressed, you gonna get out, and you gonna do what you've been called to do. I'm telling you, when you going through pain, I know what you feeling. I know exactly, cause I've been there, I've done that, but you gotta work through it. And if you work through your pain, on the other side is a reward. Listen to me, your pain ain't permanent. Your pain ain't permanent. You can get through this. You bigger than your pain. You better than that. You gonna be what you call me. You gonna have, and you gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you. You gonna prove them wrong. Everybody that tried to stop you, everybody that tried to kill your dream, you gonna prove all of them wrong. I didn't get to where I wanted to be. I'm finally where I wanted to be, but I had to go through some pain to get there. I used the pain to push me to greatness. I used the pain to push me to greatness. And I'm telling you right now, don't give up. I'm telling you right now, don't give in.
not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping now the strength I need to pursue.
Pain is temporary. I didn't get here. I didn't get to where I am today. I didn't get here because, I'm just deep or because just good things happen to me. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. There was a time in my life, right, and I stayed in my room. I was listening to my music. I prayed like I never